What if we told you that Turkey, a NATO member, has a complicated relationship with ISIS, the notorious terrorist group? In the year 2014, ISIS burst onto the world stage, swiftly taking over parts of Iraq and Syria. The group's rapid rise to power didn't happen in a vacuum. Across the border, Turkey's President Erdogan, a vocal supporter of the Muslim Brotherhood, played a significant role in the success of ISIS. But it wasn't a clear-cut alliance. Pressure from Russia, the US and Europe cast a shadow over Turkey's relationship with ISIS, adding layers of complexity. Turkey's strategic importance in the region and its sway over Middle Eastern affairs cannot be overstated. As we delve deeper, the ties between Turkey and ISIS get even more intricate. Turkey didn't just observe ISIS's rise to power, it actively contributed to it. How so? Let's dive into the details. Turkey's aid to ISIS was multifaceted, with financial support and manpower being two key elements. Back in 2014, reports emerged about ISIS taking over oil fields in Iraq and Syria, producing large quantities of crude oil. This wasn't just a territorial gain, it became an important source of revenue for the group. But how did they sell this oil? That's where Turkey comes in. ISIS is thought to have transported the oil to Turkey in tankers. From there, Turkey allegedly sold the oil to other countries, as if it were from Iraq and Syria. In this way, Turkey became a crucial conduit for ISIS's oil exports, ensuring the group had a steady income. Some of the proceeds from these sales were reportedly shared with ISIS, further bolstering their resources. The icing on the cake is that President Erdogan's family was said to be personally involved in this oil business with ISIS. But that's not all. Turkey also played a crucial role in ISIS's recruitment efforts. Thousands of Muslim volunteers from around the world, including Europe, America, Africa, Australia, and even Israel, flocked to join ISIS. And the vast majority of them arrived legally in Turkey before making their way to Syria and Iraq. Despite being aware of these individuals' intentions, the Turkish authorities did nothing to halt their transit. This laissez-faire attitude towards ISIS recruitment effectively turned Turkey into a hub for those wishing to join the extremist group. The involvement of Turkey in the rise of ISIS is undeniable, but the question remains, what led to this alliance? Let's explore that in the next scene. As we've seen, the relationship between Turkey and ISIS is far from black and white. But why should we care? Well, this relationship is a mirror reflecting Turkey's shift from its European allies towards an alignment with Islamist ideologies. Throughout our discussion, we've seen how Turkey, under President Erdogan, has indirectly assisted ISIS, both financially and logistically. This assistance has not only empowered ISIS, but also has been a testament to Turkey's burgeoning Islamist tendencies. Furthermore, this relationship underscores a disturbing reality. Turkey's willingness to shield wanted members of the Muslim Brotherhood and its reluctance to disrupt ISIS networks demonstrate a significant departure from its traditional allies in Europe. This shift towards a more Islamist-leaning stance has profound geopolitical implications, not just for the Middle East, but for the entire world. To sum up, the relationship between Turkey and ISIS is not just about the past, it's about the future. It's about how this relationship continues to shape the geopolitical landscape of the Middle East. As we move forward, one thing is clear. The relationship between Turkey and ISIS will continue to shape the geopolitical landscape of the Middle East.